Good morning, everybody. Trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. There's a song that says, sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. It's turning around for me. It's turning around for you. I know some of the people know that song. But I'm here to tell somebody, sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. But you need to have the faith and you need to know that God is going to do it. But I will remind you again, sooner or later it will turn in your favor. It might not look like it, you might not see it, but sooner or later it will turn in your favor. Wait, have faith, but God is gonna do it. Sooner or later it will turn in your favor. People that were against you will come to you for advice. People that were against you will come to you and ask you, can I not assist you with something? Sooner or later, it will turn in your favor in your workplace. You see a tea lady, but people don't know what you're capable of. You see a tea lady, but God can promote you. You just see me as a boy at work. You just see me as a packer, but God can promote me to something bigger, better, and higher. You people undermine your workplace. You might be a bricklayer. God can do something. It will turn in your favor. I'm here to tell somebody watching this video, it can turn in your favor. In your workplace, in every field of your life, it will surely turn in your favor. It may not look like it. It may not look like it's gonna happen. But it's God that I serve. He works on His time. 4 days late, but still on time. Let me remind you, sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. God gaat het doen. I keep on telling people this, and I keep on telling people this word. God will surely do it. You may not see it, but sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. It may take time. Great things take time. Surely God is gonna do it for you. You will have a smile. 2016, I can't say we almost heading into 2016, but I want to tell you, 2026 is still about to come. But this month still come. God is going to do it for you. Believe it and know it. You don't know how you're going to get through it. But you say you have debts that need to be paid off. You say you need to pay this one, you need to pay that. Put your trust in Him. Put your faith in Him. You know, me as a person, I can say I believe in God. But the moment you should write your test or you should go for that appointment, doubt creeps in. But I'm here to tell you, throw away doubt. Throw away doubt and tell yourself, surely God will do it. And sooner or later, it will turn in my favor. It will turn in your favor. I'm here to tell you, it will turn in your favor. Believe it, know it, and God will surely do it. Be blessed. Soons Nugela. I'm not here to throw stones at anybody, but I'm just here to motivate you and tell you, sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. It won't always be like this. You won't always go through the same cycle, but there will come a turnaround. Soons Nugela. Be blessed.